In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the FPS in Shotcut. If you're new to Shotcut, it's a free cross-platform video editor, and changing the frames per second, often called FPS, can make a big difference in how smooth your video looks and how large the final file will be. Start by launching Shotcut on your computer and opening the project you're ready to export. When your edit is complete and you're prepared to save it, go to the top menu and click Export. This opens the export panel where you choose the format such as MP4 and adjust quality settings. Before confirming the export, look for the FPS or frames option in the export settings. This is where you can pick the frame rate that best fits your project. For example, you can switch from 60 FPS down to 30 or 29, choose 50 or 48, or even set a custom value if you need something specific. Higher FPS like 60 gives you smoother motion and is great for action, screen recordings, or gameplay. Lower FPS like 30 is common for web video and keeps file sizes smaller while still looking good. If your computer and graphics card handle video processing well, exporting at 60 FPS is often a solid choice. But remember that higher frame rates can take longer to render and produce larger files. It's a good idea to keep the frame rate consistent with your source footage to avoid unnecessary frame blending or stutter. If your clips were shot at 30 FPS, exporting at 30 FPS is typically the cleanest option. If you filmed at a higher frame rate for slow motion, make sure your export setting matches the look you want in the final output. While you're in the export panel, don't forget to set your resolution and aspect ratio so the video looks correct wherever you plan to share it. Common choices include 1920 by 1080 at 16.9 for most platforms, or 1080 by 1920 for vertical videos. Matching your intended platform will help avoid black bars or unexpected cropping. Once you're satisfied with the format, FPS, resolution, and aspect ratio, click Export File. Choose a destination on your computer, give the file a clear name, and confirm. You'll see the progress as Shotcut encodes your video. When it's done, your file will be ready to play or upload. That's all there is to it. Changing FPS in Shotcut is quick, and with the right settings for your footage and device, you'll get a smooth, professional result. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.